Today I will share a little trick for building a racing drone. Some racing pilots are used to using the solar capacitor. It can provide sufficient capacitance, while being the smallest in size and lightest in weight. Although its performance may not be as good as that of electrolytic capacitors, it is fully sufficient for racing flights. The shell of solar capacitors is usually made of metal. The electrolytic capacitor has a layer of plastic coating on the outside. When installing a solar capacitor, be sure to note that the pins must not touch its iron shell. Like this drone, the capacitor is located closer to the inside of the power cable. If the pin is bent slightly, it will touch the shell of the capacitor, causing a short circuit. So when you are soldering, you must pay attention to this situation. If possible, we recommend using a heat shrink tube like this. Then we put it on the surface of the solar capacitor, which can play a certain role in insulation. We recommend that you choose PVC heat shrink tubing, which is more resistant to high temperatures. At the same time, we don't need to bend the pins so much. We leave a little space and then solder it on the ESC pad. And the pins cannot be so long. If it is particularly long, it may still burn out easily due to heat accumulation. The power cable cannot be too short. When the drone pulls the XT60 connector, the capacitor pins will also be pulled. Repeated pulling will also cause metal fatigue and lead to pin breakage.